Thinking about your next big escape? Well, get ready, because the hottest adventure destinations for 2025 are about to level up your travel bucket list. Whether you're craving solo discovery, wild landscapes, or just a unique story to tell at your next dinner party, I've got you covered. Let's kick things off with the country topping nearly every list this year: Italy. I know, pizza, pasta, and romance, right? But trust me, there's so much more. Italy is officially ranked #1 for solo travelers in 2025. With super easy trains, wallet-friendly eats, and locals who actually want to chat, it's perfect for those rolling solo. Imagine hiking the Dolomites in the morning and sipping espresso in a tiny Sicilian village by night. Not a bad day, am I right? Coming in next, Japan and Norway. Japan's got that magical blend of modern tech and centuries-old tradition, plus cherry blossoms that'll blow up your Instagram. Sure, you might need a phrasebook, but hey, adventure, remember? Norway, meanwhile, is basically a real-life screensaver. Fjords, northern lights, and hiking that will leave your legs and your jaw sore. Heads up though, it can be pricey, and they're introducing a new tourism tax, so bring your adventure fund. Other must-see spots? Spain's buzzing culture, Albania's wild mountains, and Nepal for those who like their adventures with a side of wow, that's high. Montenegro's coastline is also climbing the charts, especially for travelers who want fewer crowds but all the views. Now maybe you're thinking, do I really have to hop across the ocean? Not at all. North America's got epic adventures too. You could hike the Hut System in New Hampshire, take on the West Coast Trail in Canada, or even climb Pico de Orizaba in Mexico. Want something a little different? Stargazing in Texas or kayaking the Sea of Cortez should be on your radar. And here's a wild card: Williamsburg, Virginia. Yep, the most underrated US travel spot for 2025. Think top-notch museums, a peaceful vibe, and some serious small-town charm. Sometimes adventure is just a stroll through history and a really good slice of pie. So, whether you're after the next adrenaline rush or a quiet moment off the beaten path, 2025's travel hotspots have something for everyone. Where will your next adventure take you? Tell us in your comment. Until then, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more travel updates.